wanted to cover was events with opportunities. So not only is it important to progress the opportunity through the sales process, but we want to make sure that we're logging our activity or events against the opportunity. So just like before on accounts, your previous calls or scheduled calls will show up here. If you want to click a new event, you simply go here, select the record type, say anchor call, start date and end date with start time and end time. We're going to manually enter that information in. The status, we'll just say this is completed. And then over here, this is going to be the related to section. So because the business cares about how many calls we have per week and the percentage of calls against either accounts or opportunities, you want to make sure that if this is a call against an opportunity in some facet or another, that it's actually related or tied to the opportunity that you wanted to. So this is the section on the page that would highlight that. Once you have your information filled out, you click Save and Close, and you'll see that that'll populate. Down here on the calendar, we have color coordinated events. So pink is not completed, green is completed. You have the ability to move calls around. So you can drag, drop, and up here the information will update accordingly. So it's a quick way to move calls around, stay organized, and